Hey guys, some of you might know me. My name is Gary Malkin, and I'm the co-creator of a work called Graceful Passages, a companion for living and dying. I co-created it with Michael and Doris Stillwater, and it was released 24 years ago. And what I have learned after 24 years of sharing it is that grief is the great thief of the light we came here to share in the world, and it hides in a lot of places. What I'd like to do is tell you that there's something coming up on September 27th that integrates grief literacy into awakening us to who we came here to be. And these times are the times when it's time to show up with all of who we are and what we came here to do. And this isn't a time to hide and to put our head in the sand. It's time to be the beacons of light we came here to be. So I have teamed up with Pathways to Peace, one of the iconic organizations that created the International Day of Peace way back in 1981. Now it's observed by billions of people. The International Day of Peace is observed. What they have teamed with me in doing is they accepted an invitation with me and my co-creator of a Graceful Passages workshop called Grief to Gratitude, Graceful Passages from Grief to Gratitude. And Hope Fitzgerald and I have co-created this workshop that we want to bring out into the mainstream as a catalyst to wake us up, to dust us off so that we don't have any calcified parts of us that are comfortable with hiding who we are, so we can address the unaddressed grief and get off it and start being who we came here to be. And who are we but human beings who all, no matter where we come from, love to celebrate? Because after all, that which unifies us is way more than that which divides us. And no matter what the color of your skin or your religion or your culture or your age or your sexual preference, we are one. We are human. We are unique. And it's time to celebrate that and raise the quality of conversation from this noise of distractions of people of such low frequency calling each other out for stupid, partisan, divisive nonsense. It's time to raise the bar and elevate the conversation. This coming event that's coming up is called We Rise as One, a celebration of connection, compassion, and hope. And I really do feel like my whole life has led up to this moment of creating this collaborative event with some amazing people. It's going to be a globally broadcast event, and you're not going to want to miss it. And even if you can't attend the live event at San Francisco's Grace Cathedral, you're going to want to know about it, because my goal, our goal, is to launch this in different cities all across America, maybe even the world. So join and find out more about this event. We're looking for donations, but we're more looking for allies. Allies in different cities, allies in different traditions, allies who know about venues, movers and shakers who want to actually join this movement. It's connected with the Unify. It's connected with the Holo movement. It's connected with Unity Earth. It's connected with Humanity's Rising. It's connected with Humanity's Stream. It's connected to the movers and shakers of the planet that understand that a broken heart is the only one that's working properly so that the light can get in. Let's celebrate our unity at this event and find out more about my team and what we're doing together. And if you can't come, go to globalwisdomfoundation.org/We Rise as One and find out more about how you can be a part of this, whether you can show up for the 27th at Grace Cathedral or not. We invite you to join us into the One Human Family Project that celebrates our unity on the same day that CNN is celebrating the Global Citizen event, on the same day that we're going to be doing the World Powwow in New York City, honoring 400 years of Turtle Island's relationship to the indigenous people on this country. Come and join us and find out more.